You want to start investing? Make sure you actually have some income. Once you have $100 in your bank account that you do not need, you can get started with investing. Step number one, understand your risk tolerance. If you don't know what that is, go to investdiva.com/masterclass and grab my risk management toolkit. Step number two, find a brokerage account to put that money in. Brokerage accounts in America includes Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, Public. They are all okay. They are just a tool that give you access to the stock market. Step number three, if you're completely new, you can start with something called an index fund. You don't have to know what it is, but what it is, well, is tracking the whole stock market, so you don't have to pick. Go and invest in something called VOO. It tracks the whole S&P 500. That can be your first investment, but not the best one, because then you're going to go to investdiva.com/masterclass and optimize your investment strategies. But if that's the bare minimum you can do, you need to get started investing right now, because otherwise your money is going to run away and lose its value to inflation.